We're gonna try to do some trout fishing today. My Filipino wife eats a lot of fish, so we gotta catch a lot of fish. So I gotta get some gear ready. Got the bikes ready. I'm getting some fishing rods together. Types of baits we're gonna use here on the river. A couple reels gotta reline. Then we'll get out in the water. Here's some of the property. It's going to get a lot of renovations, which you guys might be coming along with us on. We have some grapevines, and there's the little house, and we got a garden in the backyard. And one of the coolest things about this property is this little pond. Came pre-stocked with some bass, but we're going to do a little work to it, get it dug out a little. Probably stock some fish, maybe some trout, some bass. See if we can find any of the bass that are in here. Rained last night, so it's a little dirty. The bass like to hang out down here. I see a little bluegill, big bluegill. Don't tell Irish, I want to eat that one. I don't know if you can see that. Little Mr. Bluegill. The bass seem to be hiding right now. Oh, there's a decent bass there. You can see the shadow go across. There it is. There's like 3 bass sitting right in front of me here. Oh, there one went. See if we could throw something in the water there and get their attention a little bit. Oh, there's a couple. See them?
Good morning po. Today pupunta kami sa Lihay River kung saan kami mag-fish ng trout and then magpipiknik. Summer dito ngayon sa state kung saan kami nakatira, kaya ito yung best time para sa mga outdoor activities. Kanina hinanda na ng jowa ko yung mga kailangan namin like yung bike, mga reels para sa pangingisda at yung mga camping gear na gagamitin namin sa pagluluto. Maraming mga public parks, river, stream, or mga lake dito sa area namin na walang bayad or entrance fee katulad ng pupuntahan natin ngayon. Mga 25 to 30 minutes lang ang layo nito sa bahay namin. Mahabang stretch ng river yon, so pwede tayong mamili kung saan spot tayo mangingisda at magpipiknik.
Yeah, They do rafting here. So they slide the big rafts down there. The people walk down here, get in, and they go whitewater rafting. Water's low. This is where we're gonna get your lunch.
Or maybe dinner. If we get lucky. So, ang gagawin natin, magbabay. Ang init ng kutis ko. Sayang ang glutathione. Charot. Nandito na po tayo sa pinaka-entrance ng river. So, ibababa lang namin yung mga gamit and mag-start na tayo mag-bike para makahanap ng spot. Mag-hike din tayo ng konti para makababa dun sa mismong river. Ang target fish namin for today ay trout. So, hopefully, may mahuli tayo. So, tara! Sabi niya sa akin, madali lang. Oh, you know what? We should do vlogging. The easiest would be fishing. And then the next day you told me, oh, we're gonna go biking. Motherfucker.
Oh, we're halfway there.
Halfway? What are you from, like the countryside?
Yeah, halfway.
The people in the Philippines would say that in the countryside. How far are we? 15 minutes.
Oh.
After an hour, it's still
yeah.
like, oh, 15 minutes.
This is what happens when you marry a city girl from the Philippines.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It's been a while since I biked.
You know what they say, get back on the bicycle.
My friend Chinese sardine.
I don't know what that means, but
You know my pet chai?
probably not good though.
It's sardine.
All right, get your pet chai back on the bike and
Oh, God. Get my pet chai. My pet chai is sardine.
She thinks the biking part's the hard part. I'm gonna tell her about all the hills we gotta climb up and down.
So, nakarating na kami dito kung saan kami mag-fish. Ayan. Yun, dun sa may baba. Yan. Natuturo ko ba tama? Pero, pwede pa kayong pumunta all the way down there. Yan, pwede nyo pa siyang i-bike.
I got Irish's rod set up here. You can tell it's a pink reel. And I tied on this little spinner here. Looks like a little bait fish. So we'll get her going with that. Maybe she'll catch her own dinner. And then me, not pink reel. Little Rapala. Alright, we'll see what we can do. Brown trout. Edible, but she wants bigger, like all women.
Ayan, so lilipat kami kasi parang isa lang yung nahuli namin and then maliit. So binalik na lang namin at tanghali na, baka hindi tayo makakain. Actually, mahirap mag-fish ng trout kasi madaling ma-stuck yung lure mo. So hindi ako masyadong fan ng pag-fish ng trout. Pero gusto ko yung trout kasi masarap. Masarap ang lahat ng isda. People problem. So, nandito na tayo sa pangalawang location. Hinihintay niya ako sa baba kasi ano daw, delikado. So, ayan. Medyo nasa gubat tayo. Ayan, so lumipat tayo ng site. So galing tayo dun. Ayan, dun sa taas na yun. Ayan.
There's something. You recording?
Yeah. Is that a bass?
Yeah. Smallmouth. Not the target species. Monster.
Bye-bye, fish. Is that a trout?
No, bass.
We don't need bass. We have bass in our, So, bass yung nahuli niya. Bass. Bass. Yung nahuli niya. Small mouth daw tawag. So, meron sila tinatawag na big mouth. Big mouth. Large mouth, right?
Yeah, large mouth.
Large mouth. Tsaka small mouth. So, small mouth yung mga nandito. Pero, ang target kasi namin, trout. Kumakain din naman ako ng bass. Kaya lang, gusto ko kasing magprito. Mas gusto kong prito yung trout. Masarap siya.
Bigger baby.
Bigger baby. That's the mom. Yeah. Binabalik nila yung mga isda dito. Huwag kayong magalit. Okay? So, meron pa ring mga ano nga tawag doon? Yung flow ng water na gusto ng trout. Ayan, makikita nyo naman. So, pumunta siya doon sa part na yun. But, subukan natin manghuli. Subukan ko mag-cast. Kung hindi ako ma-stuck sa mga sanga-sanga. Masarap tumambay dito. Ayan. Ang hindi pwedeng pang maramihan. Siguro mga pang limahan lang na tao. Tapos nakaupo lang. Pwede namang maligo. Kaya lang malalim. Tsaka kung marunong ka lumangoy, pwede maligo. Pero nakakatakot pa rin kasi nga may mga na-aksidente dahil nga yung sa agos ng tubig. Although dito sa part na kinaupuan ko, hindi masyado. Kaya pala umakyat siya doon. Kasi mas anong tawag doon? Yung parang mas mabilis yung agos. So yun yung gusto ng trout pala. Yung mas mabilis yung agos and then at the same time malalim yung tubig. So kaya umakyat siya doon. Doon banda para makahuli ng trout. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan kami magluluto. Hopefully makahuli, makaluto at makakain. Kasi yun nga, alam niyo naman, hindi tayo pwede magluto. Ang hirap ng buhay. Ang hirap maging mahirap. Ang hirap. Buang. Isa sa gusto ko dito sa Jumerica. Meron silang pag nangingisda ka, una, yun nga, kailangan mong bumili ng lisensya. So meron silang lisensya para sa pangingisda, lisensya para sa paghahunt. Yung hunting, iba-iba din. Like, kunwari, mag-hunt ka ng deer, iba yung lisensya doon. Mag-hunt ka ng bear, iba yung lisensya doon. Ano ba mga hinahunt? Halos lahat ng hayop dito, hayop dito, hinahunt nila. Pwede mong i-hunt, basta may license ka. So, bibili mo yung license. Pero, hindi pa namin na-try yung ibang hayop. Actually, hindi ko pa na-try mag-hunt ng deer. Pero, last year, meron kaming, pre-nasis na deer. So, hopefully, ma-share namin yun sa mga susunod na vlog. Pero hindi pa kasi hunting season. So, fishing lang muna tayo. Anyway, going back dun sa pag-fish. So, ako, bumili ko ng license to fish here. Pero, pang-annual lang. Kasi nga, wala pa akong mga ID dito sa state kung saan kami nakatira. And then, may limit, may size. Kumbaga may size yung mga hulihin mong fish. And then, may limit din kung ilang peraso. Hindi ko lang alam eksakto kung ilan at yung mga sizes. Wala pa ako dun sa, sa stage na yun. Pinaubaya ko muna sa asawa ko yun. Basta ako kakain lang. Magluluto at kakain. Pero alam ko, yun nga, may sukat. Parang kunwari, sa specific fish, merong dapat isang ruler or 12 inches. May mga ganun sila. So, tapos merong, kunwari, 5 lang yung pwede mong hulihin at pwedeng iuwi or kainin. May mga ganun sila. Which is, sobrang okay yon. Sana gawin natin yon. Nakakaingitera. Hindi, maganda siya kasi, di ba, somehow napapreserve. Hindi lahat hinuhuli. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung iba ibinabalik, yung fish. Kasi nga, wala siya dun sa measurement. So, kailangan siyang ibalik. Kasi pag nahuli ka, hindi ko alam kung anong punishment nila. karaniwan dito, yung kung hindi ko alam kung may mga napapanood kayong ibang nag-vlog na nagfe-fish, parang sport nila. So kung mapapansin nyo, for sure, one of these days may mga vlog kami na makikita nyo na ibinabalik lang. Mangingisda kami pero not for food, more like na ano lang, for fun. For fun. Yun, parang ano lang siya. So, pangingisda lang talaga siya. Plain nangingisda ka and then binabalik nila kasi nga hindi mo naman kailangan, hindi mo naman kakainin. Actually, may mga post ako ng pictures ng asawa ko kasi mahilig siyang sumali sa mga tournament. So, yung mga tournament na fishing tournament, madalas yun. Meron silang weight limit and then may number of fish lang na pwedeng hulihin. Tapos yun yung inaano, ano tawag doon? Win away. Tapos kung sino yung pinakamabigat, yun yung nananalo. Fishing sa kanila ay half sport. Actually, more on sport eh. Sport and then, yun, for food. Ang goal namin for the day is manghuli ng trout. Masarap siyang i-pan fry, masarap siyang i-prito, masarap siyang iihaw, and then, ano pa bang na-try ko? Smoke. Kumbaga parang tinapang isda sa atin. Ah! You got fish! Finally! Is that trout?
Yeah.
Show me your fish. Show me your fish.
Wow.
Ooh, not too close.
I lost one bigger. I caught a bunch of creek chubs and stuff.
Ayan, so finally may nahuli.
It's not a bad one.
May nahuli siya, no. That's just enough for me, charot.
Oh.
No.
I'll
okay.
drink water.
No, that's gonna be enough for us. Ayan, so ilagay muna natin siya sa water. Nasa water siya. Is it dead?
Yeah, pretty much.
Deads na pala. So, pinapatanggal ko sa kanya yung, ano ba tawag dyan? Yung mga bituka-bituka. Hindi namin siya kakaliskisan kasi hindi naman masyadong makaliskis yung trout. At saka yung luto na gagawin namin. Since, i-bread kasi namin siya. So, okay lang siya. Kaya, lang, lilinisan lang yung tiyan niya. Tatanggalin lang yung, bituka. And then, are you gonna remove the head?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yun. Putulin niya yung ulo. You think we should cut it here na para, so like, later, for the pan, it won't fit in the pan that we brought.
No, probably not.
Okay.
It's not funny. This fish gave its life so you could eat.
Hanap kayo ng asawa na ipaghuhuli kayo ng isda at lilinisin yung isda.
Ready to eat.
So, how many inches is that one? What do you think?
Maybe 14.
14. Is that the, hirap mag-English.
Huh?
Is that the allowed measurement for trout?
Yeah.
That's a minimum?
I think it's like 7 or something.
Oh, 7 inches.
Yeah.
Yun, sabi ng asawa ko, 7 inches ang allowed pag sa trout. How many trout is allowed for you to get in like one fishing?
I don't know, 5 I think.
Oh, 5.
I'm not sure. I don't keep that many. Well, we have to now. I have to keep them now.
Ayan, so, nakahanap na tayo ng spot kung saan tayo luto-lutuan, bahay-bahayan. Kaya lang, ayan. So, marami siyang mga kahoy-kahoy. So, ngayon, magluto na tayo. Dala kami ng maliit na pan. Yan, maliit na pan lang yan. Maliit lang siya. And then, mahilig kami mag-hike before and mag-camp. Camping and hiking. Kahit nung nasa Pilipinas ako. Pero dahil nga may bulinggit kami ngayon, hindi namin siya maisama pa. Hindi pa kami makalayas. So, may dala din kaming, ano ang tawag natin dito? Propane gas. And then, yung stove. Yan, ang lit niya, no? Alam ko mga friends ko dati, yan. Sobrang liit. Ang cute. Ang cute! Ang cute mo! So, yun yung gagamitin natin. Pero, yes.
That's all filtered. You want to try it? That's river water.
So, nag-filter siya ng tubig. Galing dun sa may river. Gamit niya yung, yung aners. So, try natin. Tingnan natin kung ano. Is it? Okay. Yan, itatry natin. Pag sumakit yung tiyan ko, alam nyo na. Actually, hindi siya amoy. Hindi siya amoy. Ano ba Tagalog ng river? Ilog. Comment down below. Lasang tubig. Lasa siyang malinis na tubig. Hindi ko alam kung sasakit yung tiyan natin, pero na-filter siya. May filtering eklabus siya. So, yeah, in fairness, lasang tubig. Hindi siya lasang mineral, pero lasang tubig siya.
Good, right?
It's not like the best, but it doesn't taste like river.
Better than Wawa Dam.
Did you try the Wawa Dam water? Siyempre, Filipino way. Paano tayo magsasaing? So, alam nyo na kung paano susukatin ang tubig. Hanggang saan. Alam nyo na ang gamit ng ating lalaki.
You don't want any Emperador?
Emperador, show it to the camera.
Emperador XX.
Emperador XX. Why is it XX?
Extra special.
Oh, extra. So, para sa mga nandito sa state, ang ginagawa ko para makatipid ako. Para makatipid. Pinaghahalo ko yung bigas from Costco. Yung tigi $18 doon. O Costco, baka naman. At saka sa Asian store, yung Asian Best na brand. Pinaghahalo ko sila kasi masarap yung Asian Best. Yung Kirkland, okay lang naman. Yung Costco brand, maalsa siya. So kung pang malaki ang pamilya, yun yung magandang bilhin. So isasaing na natin. Yung assistant ko, diba? Wow! Ow! Hot! I don't think the fish would fit. So, ang gagawin na natin, so nagsasaing na tayo. Pero tayo yung nagdala ko ng harina na may timpla. Sa mix, garlic at saka onion powder, tapos pepper. Cornstarch. Lagyan ko ng cornstarch para thick. Basta yun. Ipaprito natin sa butter. Ang hirap yun yung butter natin. Butter. What do you say?
Butter.
No, you say something funny with the butter. I'm gonna butter you up. Something like that.
I'm gonna butter your bread.
I'm gonna butter your bread. I'm gonna butter. I'm gonna butter your bread. And then, ito na isda. So, iwain natin ito.
You want me to rinse the fish off?
I think let's cut it first and then rinse it.
Let me turn it down.
Yeah.
You can turn it down here.
Okay. Ang bango ng kanin.
There's spoons in there. In the front.
Okay. That's it.
One fish and a two fish.
We have 2 fish now. 2 fishes. And then we're just gonna wash it. It's dirty. Ayan, so
Rice lang.
rice. Charon. Charon. Yeah, it's almost done.
Yep. Very exciting rice.
We're just gonna eat the rice. This one's big, so mahirap maghanap ng mga ano dito. Ilalaga. Like mga okra. Talbos ng kamote, talong. Mahirap maghanap. Kasi yung mga gulay na yun, tropical. And maikli lang ang summer dito. How long is like summer here? 2-3 months?
Yeah, probably from like April or May to
Yeah, but
August,
we still
September.
get like frost. April. Right?
April, yeah, is still a little cold.
So, yun. So, may mga
May to August, I guess.
may mga gulay na seasonal lang dito. Tapos, kailangan mong dayuhin somewhere else. Kailangan mong puntahan kasi nga, hindi sila basta-basta tumutubo. Although, naubusan na ako ng idea kung anong luto sa broccoli. Pero, basta may gulay. Gusto ko may gulay palagi. Wala pang 5 minutes. We're gonna wash it. Nagpaliwanag. I think we should make this one first before we make the other fish. Oh, I can make it on the other pan pala. Other pot. Okay. Clean. Dagan na kasi. So, lalasan na lang natin. Nangangain ng tao yun. Nangangain ng tao yung ano namin, lighter.
Emperador XX. I don't know how to spell Emperador.
Is Emperador brandy?
I think so. I don't know.
I don't know either. I know.
It's terrible, is what it is. It's terrible.
Not. Ang sama mo.
One star.
Yan. Ito ay, is it, the black cherry thing?
Blackberry.
Oh, blackberry.
Yeah.
Yun. Gawa ng kapitbahay
Go ahead,
namin.
try it.
From blackberry. Brandy siya. Actually, masarap siya eh. Kaya lang ang init. Hindi ko siyang inumin, pero masarap siya kasi hindi siya wala siyang sabit. Ayun nga, masarap na siya. Yeah, yung kapitbahay namin, gumagawa siya ng mga brandy. Homemade brandy. Hopefully magawa din namin siya kasi medyo may edad na yun. Binigay niya yung recipe sa amin. So ito, gawa sa blackberry and then may isa pa na black cherry. Para sila masarap. As in, hindi siya yung wala siyang sabit. Masarap malasing. Pero mga bata, don't try this at home. Hirap mag-English. Na-realize ko lang. Nakakaubos yung mga English dito. So, I think this is done. I just smells like it's gonna burn. So, let's fry the fish. Ooh, yes! Konti na lang. Pakain na kami. So, ipiprito natin yung isda. Actually, never nga ako gumamit ng butter. Butter. Usually, ang ginagamit natin, oil. Pero sabi niya, gusto niya nga butter. Masarap daw. So, itatry natin. So, hindi ko alam. Anyhow. Ano pa rin naman yan? Mapiprito pa rin naman siya. Kaya lang, yun nga. I guess we'll just add later on if we have. Yan na.
So take your flour and take your little bit of fish with your flour.
Hanapin natin yung isda. You think we can put the two fish?
Yeah.
Hold it. Don't Beautiful. I guess we should try to. Yeah, it's fine. Sige, medyo fast. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Yeah, yeah, Ooh la la. Yes. Yes. We've done that earlier too from the other side. Siyempre, rice. Ay! Sayang! Ano ba yan? It'll make it pretty.
Hot.
Like this is the announcement part. Let's make it prettier. Oh my god! So ayun, tapos na po tayo kumain and ang sarap ng trout na prinito sa butter. Kaso, magastos. Nugasan na rin namin at nilagay sa bag yung mga gamit para ready to go home. Sobrang ganda dito sa Lehigh River kahit na dalawang area lang yung napuntahan namin. And feeling ko, hindi siya ma-justify ng camera but hopefully na-enjoy niyo yung clips na shinare namin dito sa vlog. So here's more. Mag-hike na ulit kami pabalik and then magbabike papunta sa parking lot and then uwian na. Kung na-enjoy nyo po yung first vlog namin, huwag kalimutan i-like ang video na to and mag-comment kayo kung ano yung pinaka nagustuhan yung part. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Huwag pong kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-share ang aming channel. See you soon!